Alright guys, so we got the new tires. We wanted to go for a tall again, but we couldn't find them on stock, so we went for Mazzini 21555R17. We went again with 98W because, you know, Rotala was just so good on that, and they are Excel as well. So, you know, we'll see how they're gonna go. Both of them are I'm not sure if you can see here, it's C on petrol and then B on braking on weather, you know, on wet conditions. They look quite good. You know what, I really like them. And the decibels should be 72 as well, so we're gonna get these baby boys replaced. Of the covers, and now we're gonna have to take off the wheel using this key. Happy days. Right, so if you are wondering what's happening here, the car is right now on a wheel alignment lift. It's like an elevator, whatever. And then what you do, you actually install, which is called a wheel alignment machine. It's a system at the front of the machine. You'll be having like a monitoring system, as you can see, and then on each tire you are going to attach some devices which are going to check the exact alignment of your tires. I mean, it's so simple. It looks simple. I'm sure it's not. Happy days, it wasn't that much of a difference.